Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Lexus UX 250h. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need 4.5 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Remember to safely lift and secure your vehicle using a jack and sturdy jack stands before starting any work underneath. Now, let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually a 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its O-ring for a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then add the specified 4.5 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil through the fill cap. Finally, reinstall the oil fill cap and carefully lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.